Are you concerned about your child's WhatsApp activity? Whether you're trying to protect them from online threats or simply want to ensure they're using the app responsibly, having the right monitoring tool is essential. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. While KidsGuard is a good option, Amobix is the better choice for WhatsApp monitoring. It provides full access to your child's WhatsApp activity, ensuring their safety and helping you maintain peace of mind. Here's why Amobix is the best WhatsApp monitoring app. Easy to install and set up, no tech skills required. Runs discreetly in the background, so your child won't know they're being monitored. Provides real-time updates on all WhatsApp activity. With Amobix, you get a complete suite of features for WhatsApp monitoring. Read messages, view sent and received messages, even deleted ones. Track calls, monitor incoming and outgoing WhatsApp calls with timestamps. View media, access photos, videos, and voice messages shared on WhatsApp. See contact info, view details of contacts your child is chatting with. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and guides. Amobix also offers excellent customer support, with both AI and human assistance to ensure you always have help when needed. It's available with flexible pricing plans to fit any budget. And by using the link in the description, you can unlock exclusive discounts and bonuses. Thousands of parents trust Amobix to keep their children safe on WhatsApp.